come market days, and he will come to me, crawling and begging.
It's obvious, my princess. Or will he love someone who is no more?
But wait, girls. But for him to come to Agwata land that night, it seems to me that he will not rest until he finds her. Don't you think so?
Amara, relax. He's human.
He is, but...
But what? But Guinea. But Amara, why has negativity taken a better part of your mindset? Obina is only a man, he'll come around.
It's okay, it's okay. Amara, please. You're my friend. Calm down. Like I say, relax. See, Obina is just a man. Nika has said it. She's making sense. Will he love someone who is normal?
Amazim.
Come on. Edne, please get us some meat, okay? Let me marry with my friends.
Princess Namaka was special.
Your presence is needed at the palace immediately. Why? I don't have an idea.
Is anything the matter?
I don't. Can you come with me now?
It's okay. Tell His Highness that I'll pay with him soon. Yes. I'll pay with him soon.
The Igwe requests your presence in the palace immediately. You have to come with me now.
Okay, tell him that I'll be right there now. I hope all is well, my fellow elders.
I cannot say. I cannot. We have to wait for the Igwe to come and tell us why he summoned us.
That is.
What is happening? I hope everything is all right. Your Highness, we were at home when a guard came and told us that you wanted to see us. That is why we're here.
A guard?
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes, Your Highness. I was preparing to go and see my mother-in-law, who is not feeling well, when the guard met me and gave me the information.
I still can't understand this. Which of the guards?
I sent for them.
You did what? You sent for the elders?
I called for this meeting. And the reason is to make it clear to all of you that if my wife is not found, the gods bear me witness, it is going to be bloody, because I will do everything, anything, to make sure I find her.
Obinna nchicheta biagimi. Obinna sebo nchicheta biagimi. Nkeje bulonya. Obinna. So your madness has escalated to this. That you can now call the elders of this land just like that? Huh?
Your Highness. Your Highness. No.
Imagine.
I cannot. Your Highness. Your Highness.
Nkeje bulonya. Hey!
Please, Your Highness. Please.
Can I give him Oh, elders. Oh no.
Your Highness.
Please, I am very, very sorry. Please, over this insult, I am very, very sorry. Please, I am very, very sorry. I am very, very sorry.
Listen, all of you. We all know why we are here. We are paid to do this. We must go to the forest and find Ada.
You can't be looking for me here.
How do you mean?
If you really love me, come for me. This is the time I need you most.
Where do I find you? The Ezemo said you left to your mother's land.
Come to Ezemo land.
Ezemo land?
Yes. I know you will be confused. But the person that will show you the way is someone you feel that doesn't matter. Just come fast. Come. Before our existence is doomed.
Where are you coming from?
I went to Easy Forest.
Easy Forest?
Yes.
No. Stay away from that forest.
Ife shiri kike. Onye nya na obodo. Orede bu aduo. Oh. Why? Orede bu aduo. The gods are with you.
My pride. Are you okay? You're here?
Yes.
Oh, excuse us.
Yes, my queen.
want to ask you something very important. And I want you to be truthful to me.
Okay, Mother, what is it?
The sudden disappearance of Ada, do you have anything to do with it?
Mother! Mother, how could you think of a thing like that? No, Mother. I don't have nor know anything about her disappearance. I don't.
Omalicham, are you sure?
Mother, I am sure. You know I can't lie to you, even if I lie to others. I can't lie to you.
It's alright. Have you eaten?
Yes, Mom.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
How could she think I would do a thing like that?
Go and call my son. Tell him I want to see him immediately.
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness, the prince is not there.
What? Where has he gone to? Where has he gone to by this time of the night? Where is he?
Your Highness, I hope all is well.
How can I be well? Tell me, how can I be well when your son wants to kill me before my time?
What did he do?
Your son is not inside his hut. Yes.
But where could he have gone to?
You're asking me? You're asking me? Hey! Hey! What kind of son is this? Tell me. Can anyone be here?
Honestly.
Father.
My daughter, Namaga.
You sent for me, Father.
Yes.
Omalicham.
Sit down. The palace guard of Amazaland came here earlier today with news. Yes.
Father, what news is that?
He said that the prince of Amazaland is missing.
Mother. Missing?
He disappeared 4 nights ago.
No. No, Father. Father, please tell me this is a lie. Have they searched for him?
Even the gods do not know.
Hey! No! No, Mother, no. Mother, please.
No, Mother. The will of the gods must come to pass. Okay?
Okay, my daughter. It's all
Okay,
right.
wipe your...
My elders, I should be asking you people this question because I don't know what to do. Abumodogu,
Your Highness, the whole thing is strange. Do you know that the day Prince Obina was reported missing, that same day, my son disappeared?
Your Highness, time is not on our side. Let us do something quickly.
What do you want us to do?
married.
Obim. Obim! 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 Obim, get up! Get up, it's me, Ada! Get up! Get up! Obim! Obim! Obim, you can't leave me now! You can't get up! Obim!
What did you do? You did? Ada! 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 Oh! Nedu, what did you do?
Just grab the cutlass from my hand.
Nedu, abomination. Hey!
Just grab the cutlass from my hand.
How do you allow her to take the cut? Oh! Nedu!
I killed them. I killed them. Hey. This is all my fault. This is all my fault.
Hey.
I just wanted to help.
Are you allowing her to grab the cutlass? Hey. You killed him. You killed my prince. And now you have
my effort. I should have brought them to this forest. Dead man. I'm nothing to live for as a dead man.
What is that? What happened?
My father is dead. The vulture killed him.
Hi! Can you run on baby? Go again, Nero. Go to the. Some nazo. A vulture. What kind of vulture is this? Can you go to the Nebian? What is in the bay?
Igwe, I ran to the shrine to tell the chief priest. When I got there, the shrine was on fire. Hey!
Hey! What is happening? What is happening? Eh? What is that again? Your Highness, what? Chinedu! What happened?
On our way back.
What happened?
On our way back, Igwe, a vulture attacked Igwe's father and killed him.
Hey, where is my son?
Hey.
Where is Obinna?
Vulture. I don't know what you did. Don't talk to your dad. Huh?
The evil that men do lives with them. Tell your wife what you did to me.
Ada, please, I would like you to understand. Please, before you were born, I had an agreement with Ini Edo. He gave us that land at Enungene, that fertile land. That land that has been so wonderful for this kingdom. That land that has been doing great for us. So fertile. So, but we agreed on one thing. That my son will marry the daughter. That was our agreement. But when, you now fell in love with my son and my son fell in love with you, which totally contradicted that agreement, and I wanted by all means to stop it. That was what happened. I'm sorry.
And that was why you conspired with the elders and sent me to Ejimo Forest.
I'm sorry. I am sorry. I had no choice.
Ada, where is my son?
My son.
Both of us are no more.
Where is he?
But we are happy together in the great beyond.
Hey! Obinna mama. Anabembo. Oh, for Mulanya Tisu Anabembo. Kerebu mezu we feel like great beyond Wabiko. Obinna Anabembo. Hey!
The God sent me here to get rid of evil men in this land.
Hey, I know I'm not an evil man. It's condition that caused it. All the evil men are gone. I know. Where is Obinna, my son? At last I'm vindicated. Because I know I did not do all these things intentionally. Thank God the evil men. Thank God that the evil men, they are all gone. Then I'm not evil.
Your Highness. Your Highness.